being a good woman is ruining your life. Yes, you heard that right. The pressure to be perfect, to please everyone, and to sacrifice your own needs. It's all stealing your happiness and your power. But here's the truth. You don't have to live this way, okay? You have the power to take control back of your life, your emotions, and your decisions. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. If you have ever felt drained, stuck, or like going just through the motions of life, I want you to know that you are not alone. Most women have faced the same struggles at some point in their lives. And once you start using them, you'll feel more confident, in control, and free to live life on your own terms. So before we get into the 5 practices, let's talk about what's actually stealing our power. Why so many of us feel exhausted, overwhelmed, and disconnected from ourselves. Stress and overwhelm. When life feels like a never-ending to-do list, we lose the energy to focus on what truly matters. Yeah? Self-doubt. Constantly questioning yourself keeps you stuck, afraid to make decisions or take actions. People pleasing. Always saying yes to others leaves no space for your own desires, making you feel that you are living someone else's life. Yeah, fear of failure. Holding yourself back from what you really want because of what ifs keeps you stuck in the same place. External expectations. Society, family, culture, so many forces try to dictate who you should be at the cost of who you truly are. Yeah? So can you relate any of these? Let me know in the comments, okay? But here's the best part. Once you become aware of these patterns, you can actually start breaking free from them. And these 5 practices will help you to just do that. Okay? So practice number 1, setting clear boundaries. Setting boundaries is the first and most important practice, okay? When you are not setting boundaries, you are giving people the free access to your time, energy, and emotions, and that's exhausting. So learn to say no to the things that drain you and say yes to the things that align with your values and your well-being. Setting boundaries is not about being rude, okay? It's about your self-respect. Yeah? For years, I've been struggling with people pleasing, okay? I thought if I say no, it would make me a selfish person or it would harm my relationships. But the first time I set boundaries by saying no to something that wasn't aligning with me, I felt a huge sense of relief, okay? And that was the proof that I had the power to choose myself. Practice number 2. Cultivate self-awareness. You can't take back your power if you don't even know where it's actually going. So self-awareness is the key. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Meditating, journaling, or even pausing to check in with yourself can make a huge difference. The more you are aware of your patterns and triggers, the easier it becomes to make intentional choices, okay? Number 3, practice self-compassion. Many of us are our own worst critics, right? We beat ourselves for not being enough, for not doing enough. But true inner power comes from self-love and kindness, not by criticizing ourselves. Yeah? Replace self-judgment with self-acceptance. Treat yourself like the way you would treat a loved one, with patience, encouragement, and love. And remember, perfection is not the goal, progress is. Number 4, focus in the present moment, okay? A lot of power leaks happen because either we are stuck in the past or we are anxious about the future. So let go of your past regrets because you can't change them, right? And stop fearing about the unknown future because your power lies in the now. Yes? Try grounding techniques like mindfulness, deep breathing, or simply just keep reminding yourself that right now I am safe, I am in control. Yeah? Number 5. Take intentional action. Confidence doesn't come by overthinking, okay? It comes by taking actions. Even small steps can make you feel more in control of your life. Yeah? Break your big goals into tiny manageable steps. Celebrate small wins because every step forward is a progress. The more intentional action you'll take, the more powerful you'll feel. Reclaiming your inner power is not about being perfect, okay? It is about making small choices every single day to bring you back to yourself. When you start setting your boundaries, becoming self-aware, practicing self-compassion, staying present and taking action, you will see a shift. And you will start feeling more confident, more in control and more free. Now, I would love to hear from you which one of these 5 practices resonated most with you. Drop a comment in the comment section and let's talk about it. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Yeah? And please don't forget to watch my other videos on personal development and transformation. Okay? Let's support each other in this journey of life. Yeah? Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.